Asala, good, good. You?
Good to see you.
Thank you so much. Nice to visit your village.
How you feeling there?
Good, everything is good. Too much.
Too much, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
All right. Tawa kami ng tawa kagabi. They were saying like, dilam mo. Sabi ko, dilam mo din. Pag ako dahi. See, literally, I'm walking with this. Every time that I'm going out here, I will be followed by at least 20 people. At tinan mo, kamukha ko. Kabayan ko to. Dali na, ano pinag-uusapan nyo doon? Pero patanto ha, puro. Ano pinag-uusapan nyo? Puro kapag gagala, aga-aga mo. Nasa tindahan, aga-aga, tinatawag ako. Show the nose. Translate. Dali na. Tingnan mo naman yung ano. Imagine mo kung lahat ng bahay dito hihintuan mo dahil busog ka na.
My name is Guldarsha. This my mother, Gulaisha.
Tapos si Patan mo pang buwisit. Buwisit talaga to si Patan eh.